Today in Cooking with History, we're going to be looking at the Tudor wedding classic, the sack posset, given to couples as they formally engaged in bedding. This recipe is taken from a 17th century work and should make up about 10 teacups worth of posset, depending on how much of this you really want to drink. To make sack posset, you will need 850 millilitres of cream, 3 egg whites, 6 egg yolks, 1 cinnamon stick, 230 millilitres of sherry, 100 grams of raw sugar, and 1 mace blade depending on taste. In a saucepan, bring the cream to a simmer with the spices, and then remove from the heat. Whisk egg yolks and whites in another saucepan, then add in the sherry and plenty of sugar. Put the saucepan over a medium-high heat and bring to a simmer, stirring constantly. Do not let it boil, and do not let those eggs cook. Turn down the heat and pour the cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly or the eggs will cook. When you're happy with the consistency, pour the mixture into pots or teacups and serve to some willing guests. Hey, 2 taste testers.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Kind of smells like bread.
Yes.
Chin chin.
It smells like kind of bread sauce at Christmas.
Yeah.
I might put too much mace in it.
That's actually good.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I made a recipe that works!
Oh, the aftertaste is a bit weird. But that initial taste is actually alright.
And the texture.
Is it a bit eggy?
Yeah, a bit.
I think if it had, like, how much sugar's in it?
100 grams.
I think if it was a bit sweeter.
It's quite sweet. It's the chewy egg bit.
You can put toast in it as well.
I think that was a bit of cooked egg I got there.
Oh, I thought I mixed it well enough.
No, the alcohol is amazing. And it's like...
It almost makes me think of hot custard.
It is very like hot, like Christmas pudding with brandy sauce on it, blended. And then
So this is a recipe to try again then?
I mean, I'm not saying it's not that tart you made.
Oh, that was bad.
Yeah.
I wish I'd tried it.
No, you don't. No.
I'm just being kind.
But
No, that's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. I think it's.
yeah.
I can see why people drank it. It's warming.
I wouldn't want to drink a lot of it.
No.
No, I mean now you've got a load of it, you can chill it and have it as pudding.
What, me? Now that's going home with you. So we're vegan.
Okay, but
I'm not vegan.
So sack posset is my first recipe success!
Hurrah!
Well, let's not call it a success. Let's call it what it is. Not the worst one you've done.